3, 2, 1.
In the animated show Pinky and the Brain by Warner Bros., what company splices the genes that make lab mice Pinky and the Brain so special? The answer is A. Acme Labs. Who turns out to be the Half-Blood Prince in the 6th Harry Potter movie Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince? The answer is C. Severus Snape. Which gas forms when vinegar acetic acid reacts with baking soda sodium bicarbonate? The answer is A. Carbon dioxide. Which of the following group of animals is not referred to as a herd? The answer is A. Rhinoceroses. Which one of these actors was not in the movie Father's Day? The answer is C. Alan King. An organism's cells include organelles and a cell wall. In which taxonomic group or groups might the organism be classified? The answer is C. Plants, fungi, or protists. What was the name of Felix's ex-wife on the show The Odd Couple? The answer is A. Gloria. Who developed the concept of the social contract? The answer is C. Rousseau. What educational, non-fiction full-length animated film was released in 1957? The answer is A. Hemo the Magnificent. Which of these words means dealing with charity or aided by charity? The answer is C. Eleemosynary. Which animal is found on the Australian coat of arms? The answer is A. Kangaroo. What is the name of MTM Productions' mascot? The answer is D. Mimsy. What is the traditional Scottish garment that wraps around the body, originally made from a single piece of cloth? The answer is D. Plaid wrap. What is a device for measuring dry ingredients called? The answer is C. Measuring spoon. Who invented the first electronic computer, ENIAC? The answer is B. John Atanasov. Which of the following was the first name of U.S. presidential wife Mrs. Roosevelt? The answer is C. Eleanor. With a red beard, gray mustache, and black sideburns, the man had a distinct hirsute quality. What does hirsute mean? The answer is A. Hairy, shaggy, covered in hair. What kind of a relationship do plants and soil have? The answer is C. Two-way relationship. What are most protist diseases in humans caused by? The answer is A. Protozoa. Which character from South Park is a fourth grader with red hair and freckles? The answer is C. Eric. Who played the role of Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter series? The answer is A. Emma Watson. In which gland of the human body can Hürthle cells be found? The answer is B. Thyroid gland. Who is the creator of Game of Thrones? The answer is A. George R.R. Martin. Who is the founder of Tesla, Inc.? The answer is A. Elon Musk. How does darkness impact photosynthesis? The answer is C. Very poorly. On The Young and the Restless TV series, Nikki Newman had recurring flashbacks of what birthday in her life that lead to a tragic death. The answer is B. 5th birthday. What was the first credit card? The answer is C. Diners Club. Which of these actors didn't star in Quentin Tarantino's Pulp Fiction? The answer is A. Robert De Niro. What is the smallest living thing in this list? The answer is C. Viruses. Which of these values signifies the greatest temperature? The answer is A. 1 degree Celsius. Reproduction occurs when? The answer is D. Physically prepared. What color do you get when you mix yellow with red? The answer is B. Orange. If a local pond by the road receives unusual amounts of rainfall, what could happen? The answer is B. There could be a road blockage. What creature attacks Qui-Gon's and Obi-Wan's Bongo in Episode 1 of Star Wars? The answer is B. Giant goober fish. Which language is the official language of Brazil and Portugal? The answer is A. German. On the sitcom Family Ties, Alex and his younger brother Andrew used to watch every week which TV show? The answer is A. Wall Street Week. What is the only mammal that can climb trees and lay eggs? The answer is B. Koala. Meiosis is necessary for which reproductive event to occur? The answer is D. Fertilization. What type of tree forms the Amazon rainforest? The answer is D. Rubber tree. What is the name of the ringed planet in our solar system? The answer is D. Saturn. The most popular nickname of Paris, France, is La Ville Lumière. What does this mean? The answer is B. City of Light. 3 of these countries are kingdoms. Which one is actually a sultanate? The answer is C. Oman. What is the tallest waterfall in the world located at? The answer is D. Angel Falls. What is the most widely used web browser in the world? The answer is C. Chrome. In 1867, Alfred Nobel introduced the first pyrotechnic fuse blasting cap using what primary explosive to detonate dynamite? The answer is D. Mercury fulminate. Which group of species is defined as having moist skin without scales? The answer is C. Amphibians. In eukaryotic organisms, microtubules give cells structure, and microfilaments help the cell contract and move. Together, they combine to perform functions similar to what 2 human body systems? The answer is C. The skeletal and muscular systems. Which economic system emphasizes government control of the economy? The answer is C. Communism. When was the show Love, American Style on the air? The answer is B. 1969–1974. What U.S. president has worn a Nazi uniform?